To mark Secondary Breast Cancer Awareness Day, we're hearing why research into this devastating disease is more crucial than ever, and highlighting the exciting work taking place in labs across the UK and Ireland to stop it from taking lives. At Breast Cancer Now, we are determined to stop people dying from breast cancer, and one of the most important ways to do this is to find ways to stop it spreading. When breast cancer cells break away from the original tumor and form tumors in other parts of the body, it is known as secondary, or metastatic, breast cancer. While there are treatments which can help to control secondary breast cancer, sometimes for a number of years, once breast cancer has spread it becomes incurable. Every year 11,500 women and 350 men die as a result of breast cancer, with almost all of those people having seen their breast cancer spread to other parts of the body. It has been estimated that around 35,000 women in the UK are currently living with secondary breast cancer, and we want to make sure that people in their situation have the best chance of survival possible. We need to find out why and how breast cancer spreads so we can find ways to stop it from happening, and teams of researchers at Breast Cancer Now are rising to that challenge. We are asking them the question: how do we stop people dying of secondary breast cancer? And here are just some of the ways they are answering it. Boosting our body's defenses. Usually the first line of defense when we are unwell is our immune system. Its job is to search out threats that can harm our body, and destroy them. However, cancer often has clever ways to avoid the immune system or hide from it, so our body's own defenses are not able to destroy it. In some places in our body the immune system is intentionally dialed down. This is useful in delicate places where an overactive immune system could cause damage, and one of these places is the lymph nodes in the armpits, one of the first places breast cancer can spread to. Dr. Anne Fletcher is researching the cells that are responsible for this dialing down of the immune system, finding out how they work, and how we could get them to turn the immune system back on so it can recognize and destroy cancer cells that have started to spread. Halting breast cancer's escape. Not all breast cancers will spread, so one important area of our research is finding out what makes a cancer cell break free from the tumor and invade the rest of the body. Dr. Alex von Kriegsheim has found that when you force normal cells to make lots of a protein called ISG15, they undergo a change and start to act more like cancer cells. He is now finding out why this happens, and whether it could be an important factor in breast cancer becoming invasive, which we might be able to target with drugs. Disrupting the destination. Once cancer cells have left the breast, they can travel around the body in the blood and other vessels, and the most common places for breast cancer to spread is to the bones, liver, lungs and brain.